feel amazing. I came to you last time and I loved it when I left. It was amazing when I left, and I've followed all the routine that you sent to me, the little link, and it's been healthy, it's been easy to maintain, easy to look after, until I see it done again today. I didn't realise how far, because the regrowth wasn't so strong, there was no sharp line. I've got away with Blue Murder, obviously. and now it's all shiny and new again. In the past, it was dark. I was dyeing the greys dark. What you did was lighten the ends, so it was a better blend. And it's been much easier to manage myself without having to be at the salon every 6 or 8 weeks.
So in the past, your hair was turned up brassy and damaged?
Very damaged, very uneven colour, and very,
So
quite brittle.
I did a color correction last time.
Yep, and quite a big cut.
Yeah, and with that color, do you feel that turned brassy?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Yeah.
I've been very happy. It's kept it was sort of a creamy blonde, and I play with the rose gold shampoo, and love it.
Yeah. So today we did the color, just renew balayage.
Balayage,
But what is your expectation?
Come today looking for a big change, just a refresh, but you've slightly tweaked the color a little bit, the fringe, so I'm going to walk away feeling like I've had a whole new look again.
So what is your advice for someone that they want blonde, and then do you think that maintain hair at home is important?
Absolutely. Absolutely, the product that you've recommended and the regime that you've recommended I've stuck to, and everyone had said to me, you can't go blonde. It's my natural hair was too dark. It would be clearly it's been easy for me to look after, and it's come up a treat when you've done it again tonight.
So when do you think that when you do with the hair care at home and hair is healthy, and do you think that with the part of hair care is make the color last long, and it make you feel that you don't need hairdresser?
I don't know. I certainly haven't felt like I've needed to visit the hairdresser, no. My hair didn't look unhealthy, and I didn't realise quite how badly it needed doing until you see it done tonight. So I can't recommend it highly enough, brilliant. After coming to see you the first time and you giving me the instructions, I've definitely, and knowing that bleaching damages the hair, I have stuck to what you've recommended, and I think that's made a world of difference in the health of my hair and the longevity of the colour that you gave us.
Yeah, so that is the color turnout. It's just you look so different, and I don't expect it either. It looked so different when I do with it a little bit purple looking.
Just changed it. It's like a whole new style.
Look at you. Oh my god.